Hello. In this video, we will be exploring the future of Conflux Network through our upcoming roadmap. Every initiative in the roadmap focuses on practical improvements that will enhance how developers, users, and miners interact with the blockchain. With all these upcoming updates, we can expect Conflux Network to become even faster, more secure, and easier to use and develop on. At Conflux, we're always working to improve our Layer 1 platform, not just by adding more features, but by solving real problems that developers and users face today. Let's walk through how we're making blockchain more efficient, more secure, and more accessible for everyone. The first major upgrade we're rolling out is advanced authenticated storage. Currently, most blockchains handle data storage with methods that can slow things down. Transactions take longer, and the network can get clogged when it's under heavy use. We're solving this by introducing a new data structure called the Multi-Layer Versioned Multipoint Trie, or LVMT. What does this mean for you? For developers, it means your decentralized apps, dApps, will be able to handle more transactions without delays. For users, you'll notice faster response times when interacting with applications, even when the network is busy. Essentially, it's about making everything run more smoothly. We're expecting a tenfold increase in the system's ability to read and write data, which means a much faster, more stable experience across the board. Next up is expanding our Layer 2 support. Layer 2 solutions are a key part of scaling blockchain networks. By offering native support for Layer 2 on Conflux, developers will have more flexibility in building applications that can scale, whether for micropayments, gaming, or other high-demand areas. And for users, this means faster transactions with lower fees, making the overall experience more efficient and affordable. We're also bringing in support for multiple virtual machines. Right now, different types of virtual machines operate separately, but we're merging them into one unified system that we're calling the Super VM. For developers, this simplifies the process. You'll be able to build applications across different environments without having to maintain separate systems. And for users, managing your accounts and assets becomes easier because everything works seamlessly in one place. On top of that, we're improving the way transactions are processed. By enabling parallel processing within the virtual machines, we can handle more transactions at once, speeding up the entire system. This means less waiting around, even when the network is busy. Next, we're focusing on privacy and security with multi-party contract execution. This introduces the Confidential Virtual Machine, or CVM, which allows transactions to be processed without revealing private information. This is particularly useful for things like decentralized finance, where you might want to protect your transaction details from being exposed. For developers, this opens up opportunities to build apps that prioritize privacy, and for users, it ensures that your data stays confidential, even during transactions. One of the more exciting changes on the horizon is our Proof of Useful Work system. Instead of the traditional proof of work model, which typically just solves complex math problems to secure the network, we're using that same computing power for more meaningful tasks, like AI computations and scientific research. For miners, this is a new opportunity. Not only will you be helping to secure the network, but you'll also be contributing to solving real-world problems, which opens up new ways to earn rewards. For developers, this means you can build applications that leverage this dual-purpose system. And for users, you'll know that the computational power behind your transactions is being put to good use. As we continue to develop and roll out these upgrades, our focus remains on making Conflux an efficient, secure, and user-friendly platform. Each initiative in this roadmap is aimed at making the network stronger and more adaptable, so it can meet the needs of both today's users and future applications. To stay updated on our progress and get involved in the Conflux community, follow us on social media and join our developer groups on Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. We're looking forward to seeing how you'll use these new tools and features.